Firakotra is a global online retailer offering fashionable textile products. We provide a wide range of high-quality clothing, accessories, and textiles for customers worldwide. We prioritize providing a smooth online shopping experience, excellent customer service, and timely worldwide shipping. We stay ahead of fashion trends and continually amplify our product range to meet diverse customer preferences. Regrettably, we have faced a series of obstacles in recent months that present significant challenges to the long-term viability of our business. Our customer service department has brought to my attention that we are receiving complaints from customers dissatisfied with the quality of our products or experiencing shipment delays. Additionally, we have been receiving negative reviews on social media, and our daily order volume has witnessed a decline. Based on the warehouse supervisor's report, our team is currently overwhelmed by various day-to-day challenges. Our warehouse is operating at full capacity, and we are dealing with high volume of customer returns that require extensive paperwork. The financial officer has raised concerns regarding the recurring payments delays to our suppliers, and our banks are unwilling to extend our line of credit, aggravating the situation. As manager of Firakotra, I need your help to reverse the situation. Let's work together to overcome these challenges and restore our business to success. Regain control of Firakotra.